So you have a Fitbit Lux tracker and you have an issue where you have a black screen. Basically, the screen just won't turn on. However, you know it's on. Maybe you felt like it vibrate, you got some notifications or whatnot. However, the screen is just not turning on. So what we need to do is this. Go ahead and grab your charger, plug it in, and then we're going to attach the charger. Attach it correctly, the gold pin to the gold pin here. So we're going to pop that in here just like this. And now what we're going to do is we're going to force it to restart. Okay, obviously this one is fixed, but let's just pretend that the screen won't come on. I have no idea what's going on, but I just plugged it in. I felt it vibrate. Now you see this button right here? What you need to do is press this button 3 times while it's charging, okay? And you want to do it slowly, okay? 1, 2, 3. You don't want to go 1, 2, 3, okay? So we'll do it together. Ready? Here's the button here. I'm going to tap it 1. It just vibrated. 2, felt it vibrate. 3, felt it vibrate. Now just let sit here just like this and just wait. It's going to automatically restart. Now we should see the Fitbit logo here. Just be patient. It just vibrated, and now your screen should be back on. Okay, so you can pop it on, and now you should see your screen back on. All right. If it didn't work the first time, try this step 2, 3, 4 more times. Okay. Good luck, guys.